Hello, Kyle. I wanted to kind of make an update here for your Turbo Cube Dimension. So with Zulu SCSI, what I was trying to do, I've got a master ISO that has 6 different 2 gig partitions. And using the terminal window, I was able to split it. And you can kind of see it here when it does. So it creates a bunch of 2 gig partitions. And then they come up over here. And with Zulu SCSI, you drag and drop it into the image. And it copies them over, but then when I try and boot it on a NeXT station, it'll boot the first one, but then the second, third, and fourth partitions come up with checksum errors. So there's a different way that it translates and reads the partitions, and I think that has to do with the syntax or the way that I'm setting it up. But I've got some emails I've been going through, from customers, and then I've got the troubleshooting, so it'll actually blink and tell me if it's working. And we've got Yoda here meowing at me. Okay, so let's see, for the monitors, okay, I bought a pallet of 6 monitors on eBay, and it looks like I got stuck with the duds out of the bunch. They'll actually power up the system, but I'm not getting video. One of them actually makes some strange noises inside, so I need to take it apart and see. That's this one. What's going on there? But I do have one that is working, and I've got it hooked up to a little NeXT station mono here, so that we're not using your Turbo Cube for the testing. And it's got a nice picture. So the only catch is it's got a bent foot. I can't seem to win here. So, and I've got more monitors. So I'm going through the rest of them, and I'm putting tags on them. Green means good, red means there's an issue. So this is going to be one of the last pieces. I've got your Turbo Cube set up over here. Bless this mess. It is. So we've got this 17-inch Philips Phoebe, and then we've got your Turbo Cubes all ready to be integrated. I've got the boards here, and I just set these down, actually. This is the dimension cord. Oh, man. And it's actually a new old stock cable I've got hooked up on that other one as well. So Cube's all ready to go. Your boards are here. Just need to test this monitor as well, and it should power up. And so I just kind of wanted to give you an update on what's going on. It's nice when everything works the first time, but it's an exercise in patience. So I just wanted to give you an update, show you that, yes, I am really trying to get everything working. And I'm getting a good workout with moving the monitors around. So stay tuned. Things are coming together, and I've got a couple more monitors. Hopefully I can pull a good 4000A. I'm bummed because I bought 6 monitors off this reusing jacks on eBay. And I think every single one of them is going to be a dud. One has a bent foot. The other's missing feet. And these 2 power up, but there's no video. So I've got 4 more to go from that purchase. But eventually I'll get all this stuff working. It may just be capacitors. So I'm doing what I can with the cards I get dealt here. Everything's going to work when I send it to you. And I'm getting down towards the end of having everything that we need to get everything completed, so I can finalize, ship, and show you a beautiful working Turbo Cube Dimension system. All right. Well, have a good day. We'll talk soon.